Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you the use of Tilt-Shift-Blur in Adobe Photoshop. First, I'm going to try it on the alphabet. Go to the Type tool and type any alphabet. I am using the Gotham Ultra font. Go to the Layer panel, right-click on it, and choose Blending Options. Apply the gradient overlay to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery, and Tilt-Shift-Blur. Click on the Convert to Smart Object, because we can't apply it to editable text directly. Basically, the Tilt-Shift-Blur adds depth and motion by offsetting the tilt blur. Hold the Shift button to maintain proportional rotation. Let's try it on an image. Place the image. Go to the Object Selection tool and click on the subject. Hold the Shift button to add the selection. Press Ctrl+J for layer via copy of it. Select the main image and apply the Tilt-Shift-Blur. It will also give you a cinematic look. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.